Imagine this: you are over 60. You've worked hard all your life and you just want to enjoy your retirement. Play with your grandchildren, take peaceful walks, and live without fear. But suddenly, you start noticing your feet always feel cold. Your legs cramp at night, and sometimes you feel dizzy for no reason. These are not just signs of aging, they are often silent warning signals of poor blood circulation caused by clogged arteries. And here's the shocking truth: clogged arteries are the leading cause of heart attacks and strokes among seniors. But what if I told you that nature has already provided a simple fruit, one you can buy at your local market, that can help clean out your arteries, improve circulation, and protect your heart naturally? Stay with me because this fruit could change your health and your future. Please take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green Health channel, and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified anytime there is a new upload on the channel. As we grow older, our arteries slowly change. The walls become less elastic and fatty deposits called plaque start building up inside. Doctors call this atherosclerosis. Think of it like rust clogging up your home water pipes. At first, the water still flows, but suddenly it weakens until one day it gets blocked completely. Now, replace water with blood. That blockage could mean a stroke, a heart attack, or even sudden memory loss because your brain isn't getting enough oxygen. The sad part: most seniors don't feel clogged arteries until it's too late. That's why protecting your arteries daily is one of the smartest things you can do after 60. So, what is this fruit? Pomegranate. This ruby red fruit has been celebrated for centuries in traditional medicine, and now modern science is catching up. Pomegranate is loaded with powerful antioxidants like polycalagins and anthocyanins. These are not ordinary antioxidants. They are specifically known to protect your arteries, reduce inflammation, and dissolve harmful cholesterol deposits that block circulation. One famous study showed that seniors who drank just a small glass of pure pomegranate juice daily for a year had up to 30% less plaque in their arteries. That's like unclogging your pipes and letting the blood flow smoothly again. Pomegranate doesn't just prevent clogging, it actually helps your body heal. It reduces oxidative stress, which is the main reason arteries harden with age. It acts like a natural blood thinner, stopping dangerous clots that can cause strokes. It relaxes blood vessels, lowering blood pressures and improving oxygen supply to the brain and muscles. That's why seniors who regularly eat pomegranate often say, "My feet are no longer cold at night. I have more energy for my walks. My memory feels sharper." Think of pomegranate as a natural artery cleaner, giving your blood the free highway it needs to keep your body alive and strong. Now, here's the important part. Not all pomegranate is equal. The best way is to eat half a fresh pomegranate daily or drink about half cup of pure unsweetened pomegranate juice. The key is consistency. Small amounts daily are better than a large dose once in a while. Never rely on store-bought juices with added sugar. Sugar damages arteries and cancels out the benefits. Pair pomegranate with a handful of walnuts or almonds. The healthy fats help your body absorb more antioxidants, making the fruit even more powerful. Pomegranate isn't just about circulation, it's an anti aging fruit for your whole body. For brain health, it improves memory and reduces the risk of dementia. For joint health, it reduces stiffness and pain from arthritis. For your immune system, it boosts resistance to infections. For skin, it keeps skin firm and youthful thanks to collagen protection. In fact, many seniors who eat it daily say they not only feel stronger, but they look younger too. Here's a quick story. Mr. James, a 72-year-old retired teacher, used to struggle with cold ends and constant fatigue. His doctor warned him about early signs of artery narrowing. Instead of relying only on heavy medications, he added half a pomegranate to his breakfast every day. After 3 months, he noticed he could walk longer distances without breathlessness. His memory improved, and his doctor told him his blood flow had actually improved. That's the quiet power of a simple fruit. So if you are over 60, don't ignore your arteries. They are the silent highways of your body. Block them and everything suffers. Clean them and your heart, brain, and legs will all thank you. Start with something small and natural. Pomegranate. Just half a fruit or a glass of fresh juice daily can keep your circulation strong, your heart safe, and your life full of energy. Remember, health after 60 is about small, consistent habits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a loved one who needs to hear this, and hit subscribe for more life saving senior health tips. Because sometimes one fruit can truly change your health future. Thank you for watching to the very end. I appreciate the time taken. Also, remember that green health cares. I'll see you in the next one.